Hi guys, we're at Moulton on log level crossing Herefordshire with Callow. Down. There we go, now the time is 18:57, 1st of April, on a Friday of 2016. There goes that signal. And this is for our 1900, 1 Whiskey 20, a route train Royal Service from Milford to Manchester. And the tiny wee thing is Stephmore. Right down the far end there's a Stephmore. Stephmore, however you say it. And then that is leading this way. All the way down there. You've got an actual normal light. Anyways. It's my only train here.
Have we got something special coming this way?
No.
No? Just a straight up and down, huh?
And here it is already. And there's kids. There it is. 175, 2 carriager. And there's 3 carriager. What do we have today? Probably one I've already seen. We have 175, 109. 109 to Manchester and 9. There goes the signal, up we go. And see you next video.